Welcome. This video will introduce Delaware's Blue Envelope Program, a new program for drivers and first responders in the state. Delaware's Blue Envelope Program was created through a partnership between the Delaware Network for Excellence in Autism, or DNEA, at the University of Delaware Center for Disability Studies, and the Delaware State Police, with funding from the Office of Highway Safety and support from the Delaware Division of Motor Vehicles and the Delaware Association Chiefs of Police. The Blue Envelope Program aims to promote safe, clear, and respectful communication between drivers and law enforcement during a traffic stop. A driver's blue envelope communicates to law enforcement that they may have a communication difference, sensory difference, mobility limitation, or other difference related to their disability. For drivers, this envelope also serves as a place to organize important documents such as your car registration, insurance card, and health-related documents such as the My Emergency Care Plan. The Blue Envelope Program is designed to help drivers, passengers, and law enforcement in Delaware. The Blue Envelope can help people with disabilities to feel more confident and prepared during traffic stops. In addition to providing a place to house important documents, this envelope lists tips for interacting with the police and includes space for drivers to write in information about themselves and their disability. Drivers are encouraged to include any information on the envelope that they feel is critical for law enforcement to know during a traffic stop. For law enforcement, this envelope is designed to quickly communicate important disability-related information and considerations that would be helpful to know during a traffic stop. For example, a driver may have difficulty with eye contact, verbal communication, or difficulty processing instructions quickly. This information is critical to know during a traffic stop and can help ensure that proper supports are in place. The blue envelope also signals to officers if the driver may use or need specific supports, such as a communication or mobility device, extra processing time when asked a question, clear instructions, and reduced sensory input, such as turning off flashing lights or radios if possible. Keep in mind that even with a blue envelope, drivers still need to follow the rules of the law. By sharing important disability-related information and considerations, the Blue Envelope Program ensures a fair application of the law, but its intent is not to get a driver out of a ticket. Delaware's Blue Envelope has a front and back design. The front of the envelope includes instructions and considerations for first responders, while the back of the envelope provides space for drivers to fill in information about themselves, their emergency contacts, their disability, and additional support needs they may have. This side also provides tips for interacting with law enforcement, which can be helpful to review before a potential traffic stop. This program is free to take part in. For drivers and families, you can visit any Delaware State Police troop or other participating first responder agency to pick up your blue envelope. When picking up your envelope, there will be no qualifying questions asked and no identification needed. There is also no recorded documentation of drivers who participate in this program. Other municipalities in Delaware are encouraged to participate. There are a few places where you can go to learn more about Delaware's Blue Envelope Program. If you are a municipal police or first responder agency and are interested in offering blue envelopes, please visit the DSP Community Engagement Unit URL on the screen. For any media inquiries, please contact the Public Information Officer, or PIO, at Delaware State Police. And finally, for Delaware drivers and their families interested in getting a blue envelope, please visit your local DSP troop. The DNEA provides additional training and resources to support Delaware drivers, their families, and law enforcement. There is also a resource guide fact sheet available that provides a quick overview of the Blue Envelope Program and includes much of the information discussed in this video. For Delaware drivers and their families, the DNEA offers the Live Practice Traffic Stop program that allows autistic drivers and families the opportunity to engage in the steps of a traffic stop in a safe and controlled environment. This program is separate from the Blue Envelope program and is a great opportunity to meet with the police, ask them questions, and become more confident in the steps of a traffic stop. The DNEA provides accompanying resources, including a pre-driving video and collection of driving-related resource guides. Live practice traffic stop events are held throughout the year at various locations across the state. Check out cds.udel.edu/DNEA/mock-driving to learn more, to register for an upcoming event, and to access related resources. The DNEA also provides autism training tailored to law enforcement and first responders in the state. This training is designed for first responders to learn about autism, the family perspective, and how to use strategies to de-escalate on the scene. Visit delawareautismnetwork.org/professionals/first-responders to request a training for your department. Thank you for watching. For any questions related to Delaware's Blue Envelope program, please contact the DNEA at dnea-info@udel.edu. Be sure to check out the DNEA website at delawareautismnetwork.org to learn more about the DNEA's programming, training, and resources, including driving-related resources, such as the What is Delaware's Blue Envelope program fact sheet. For drivers and families interested in obtaining a blue envelope, please visit your local troop.